Hello there. Hello there. Right, everything's going rusty. I'm getting some strange comments, so I thought, getting strange comments, I should really get back in a shed. Now the thing is, my shed has been turned into a dumping ground because we had to shift everything around in the house for the central heating. Lads. So, I thought, let's get back out the shed. So, meaning I'm getting so much hate mail, because every fucker hates me, I just got this. Wow, will you look at that? I just got this off my good friend, the Jason Andrews channel. Up and coming star. Everybody loves Jason. Obviously, bit heavy for. Oh, I haven't even told you what I'm gonna fucking do yet. What the fucking hell's gonna do? What we're gonna do is a paper knife for all my 8mm, cutting in envelopes. It's a little knife that goes on your desk, and if you don't like somebody, you can stab him in the eyeball. Okay, I was joking. So, I think this is too heavy. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to drill an hole in there, up to there. So, the idea was just to drill an hole down there, that fucking long, that fucking big, thank you very much. But, it won't fit down the throat. I could put that back on there with chewing gum, but I'm sure they would notice. So the closest thing I got is this thing. You know, you can weld. Well, there's people out there who can weld. Cast, I'm not one of them. I can have a bodge by all means, but what we'll do is that, and we'll take that to work tomorrow. Sorry. No. Yes I am. No I'm not. Yes I am. What a fucking piece of shit anyway. To break on me like that. What a bastard. I'm annoyed. So it fucking should be. I could swear for Wales. In fact, I think I do. Right, tap it, wrap it, and we'll continue tomorrow.